Are you preparing for your birthday and you need a birthday card? Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to create a birthday card. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Chatgpt. If you don't have a Chatgpt app, go to your Play Store or App Store and download one. This is my Chatgpt interface. Click on the plus icon, click on photo, or you can snap a particular photo for that particular card, or you go through your file, but I want to go through my photo. So right here, you just click on my album because I want to select from my camera roll. Click on my camera. So just select a particular photo here for my birthday card. Let's say I take this photo. Click on the add option. So I'll just type in create birthday card. Nine to 16 ratio aspects. You can write your wish for that person that you're creating a birthday card for. So just write your wish for the person and then click on this arrow here. So it's going to take a few minutes to create, and Chatgpt will give you notification when it has been created. So you can go out from the app, you will still get the notification. So right here is my birthday card. You can see my wish, you can see happy birthday, and you can see how beautiful the card look like. So if I want to share it, I can share it, and I can also save it to my device, and I can also add a description for the edits. If you want to edit it, you can add a describe how you want it to be edited. So guys, that's it on how to create birthday card on Chatgpt. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.